Let's Talk. I am your host, Carline, and today is Quick Tip Tuesdays, and we're dropping quick tips today about loading and what you should know about loading. So I have Lauren here with me from Quest. Lauren, you want to introduce yourself real quick?
Sure. Hi, I'm Lauren. I work with Quest Events. I oversee the tri-state area. We are a national scenic rental company, and today we are doing some furniture, tables, and a bar for the event tonight.
So I thought it would be pretty cool if Lauren can share with us things that we all need to know about loading. So if you're an event designer, event producer, whatever your role is in the event industry, you need to know things about loading. This is Quick Tips for you.
So the first tip I have is that really important when you're visiting your site is make sure you measure the load-in door. So for example, you have this one door here. You would definitely want to get the measurements of that. But if you ask the venue and say, how else can I load in? Well, this door slides open, so it gives you quadruple the load-in space here, so you don't have to worry that nothing could fit in the doorway. So that's really important. Otherwise, you won't be able to bring stuff in for your party.
Exactly.
Something else that's really important to know, this is like the dream venue because there's no stairs here, but it's really important to know if there are stairs because that's going to complicate how you load in, what you use to load in, things like that. So this is perfect because you could just roll right into the venue. And then lastly, something really important to note is commercial parking. So this is New York. It's a nightmare to park every day. But on this particular street, you can see that there is a lot of commercial parking, so that's really easy for load-in. You know, you could pull right up front. When you're checking out the venue, if you notice that there is no commercial parking on the block, I highly recommend looking around the neighborhood, seeing where's the closest block, so that way on the day of, you don't have to worry about scrambling to find a parking spot and worrying about how far it's going to be to load in your bed.
Thanks, Lauren, for those quick tips.
You're welcome.
Bye.